Hey guys, what's up? It's Logan here. Today I'm back with another video on dominoes. Now this will be a tutorial video on how to build a 9-degree angle. Now this doesn't really have a good name. I don't know the creator of this trick. So if I find the creator, I find the name of the trick, but it's called, from what I know, it's called a 9-degree trick. Now this is a very simple and easy trick to do. That is just a way how to improve your building. Okay, now first things first, as usual, we want to build a domino line. Now you want to continue this timeline till you reach like about here. So we'll do like 10 dominoes. I have used this in some of my videos. I used it in one of my big domino falls. I think it was like the first one. Okay, now it's time to do the actual 9-degree turn. Now you place a domino right there. And you place another one right there, a little far away. The spacing is kind of your choice. But you want to make sure all three of them are about a domino height away. It's okay if it's a bit off though. And then you want to carefully lean this domino to where it kind of like leans on this domino without knocking it over. And to secure it all, you want to place a domino on top of all three of these dominoes. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to cover the majority part of the 3 dominoes. Okay, now you want to place a domino on the edge of the flat domino, and then you could continue domino line. I'll continue to where you can't see it on camera. And yeah, let's knock it down. See, there you go. And see, very short trick, very short video. I don't know if it's better than just do regular curve, but it's definitely a good way to improve your building. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.